158 La Vallee is a wonderful North Shore lot with amazing views of the blue Caribbean Sea, located on St. Croix North Shore. Just down the hill are renowned restaurants, beautiful sandy beaches, swimming, scuba diving, snorkeling, horseback riding, live music, and more. It isn't just a place to visit, it's a feeling, a vibe that gets under your skin and makes you want to stay forever. Beyond the beach, the North Shore offers a different kind of adventure. You can drive up into the hills and feel like you're in a completely different country. The hillsides are lushly forested. There are wonderful hikes, and the Annalee Bay tide pools are nearby. This triangular-shaped lot with a northern orientation gets cooling breezes and has spectacular views of the sea and the neighboring islands. It is bordered on two sides by paved Valley View Road. There are power poles along the road, making connecting to power an easier process as you build your dream home. Although the lot is steep, which you can see from the topographical map in the listing, there is a flat area for building and more than one way to access the lot. .158 La Vallee is located on St. Croix North Shore. It's the kind of place where you truly feel like you've stumbled upon a hidden gem. The heart of the North Shore is the La Vallee and Cane Bay area. Cane Bay Beach is breathtaking, a perfect curve of soft white sand. It's a favorite spot for locals and visitors alike, and for good reason. You can spend the whole day there and you'll have everything you need. The water is beautifully clear and calm, perfect for a lazy swim. Or you can get a little more active with some snorkeling or diving right off the beach. Just a short distance from the shore is the Wall, a legendary dive site. It's where the shallow shelf of the island abruptly drops into the Puerto Rico Trench, a deep-sea canyon that plummets thousands of feet. After a day on the water, the North Shore's laid-back atmosphere continues at the beach bars and restaurants. Places like the Landing Beach Bar, Ama at Cane Bay, and Off the Wall are perfect for grabbing a cold drink and a bite to eat. The food is delicious, the cocktails are refreshing, and the view is just, well, it's paradise. You can sit and watch the sun dip below the hills, painting the sky pink, gold, and orange while you listen to the waves provide a gentle soundtrack.